Tonight, we're making one-pot spaghetti, so stay tuned. So hi, thank you for joining us tonight in the beautiful Uinta Mountains. It's great to have you here. If we haven't met, welcome, welcome. I'm Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures, and our YouTube channel is about all things camping. Whether you tent camp or RV camp, our goal is to just help you have a great camping experience. So tonight we're making one-pot spaghetti in the Dutch oven. You guys, this is so simple. Everything goes in the pot. It's one and done. Such a great recipe if you're having, a big group of people come up because it's so easy. So let's go ahead and just jump right in and get started. Okay, so what you'll need is a pound of ground beef, an onion, some Parmesan. You can use the freshly grated or the bottled. You'll want some Italian seasoning, some garlic. I've got the spaghetti sauce spaghetti and then some diced crushed tomatoes. So what we're going to do is basically we are going to add all of the ingredients except for the spaghetti and of course the Parmesan cheese, and we are going to bring this to a boil. We want to bring it to a boil, and at that point we'll go ahead and add our spaghetti in. So we've got the diced tomatoes, we've got the spaghetti sauce. Once again, I've got the pound of hamburger, and I just cooked it up at home. It just makes it so easy when you get up camping to have a lot of this prep work already done. Once again, that's an onion. I've got 2.5 cups of water. We're gonna add about a teaspoon of garlic and about a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Go ahead and add the flavorings that you like. We're gonna add some salt and pepper. Ooh, that salt came out fast. And let's get it stirred up really good. When we put this on the coals, it's gonna put all these flavors are gonna just mix together and be really, really, really yummy. Okay, so it's mixed together. I've got coals already going. We're going to cook this at about 350. So I want 8 coals on the bottom and 16 coals on top. We're going to bring it to a nice boil, and then we'll add our spaghetti on. So over to the coals. So one quick thing is I bought a loaf of garlic bread, and I just sliced it in slices, and I've wrapped it in foil. What we're going to do is once the spaghetti gets almost ready, we're actually just going to set our pieces of garlic bread on top of the coals on the Dutch oven and get them nice and toasty and warm. Okay, let's take a look. Ooh. Ooh, I think it's just perfect. Ooh, that smells so good. So let's dish some up. John, can you grab me some garlic bread? Look at that. Just yummy, hearty spaghetti meal. Oh, so easy too. Let's add some of our garlic bread to this. Ooh, hot, hot. Okay, so there you go. What do you think? Oh my goodness, I'm so hungry. I can't wait to eat it. So thank you so much for joining us. Spaghetti is always a hit with everyone. So it's great to have you here. We appreciate your support. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up. We would also love to have you subscribe to our channel. I'm gonna go eat dinner, but I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye-bye. What a yummy, delicious dinner. Spaghetti is always a hit with everyone.
You know what? There's no way you can.
Okay.
No one will take you seriously as long as they're doing that right behind you.
Okay. Are they still behind me?
They're loving.
Oh no.